Hi, my name is Junaidi Lopez. The Eiffel Tower, a paradise to discover. Do not miss this great opportunity to come the Eiffel Tower, and they will fall in love and waiting to return. Is this one of the most visited monuments in the world? Enjoy a memorable Paris night combined a visit to Eiffel Tower, a cruise tower with a cruise on the serene of a caravan dinner shot at the Moulin Road. You can shout any of the rest packs with dinner in Paris. Dinner at the Eiffel Tower and delicious deer course at dinner at the 18th Eiffel restaurant located the floor of the Eiffel Tower and explicit the scene as an airship. The restaurant elegant. It is 18.5 meters above sea level and 58 meters above ground and both panoramic width of the 72. The Trocadero can be seen through the large windows. After dinner, you will cross the scene of Harlem Cries of the Seat Monument of Paris, illuminated at night. Also enjoy a guided tour of Louvre Museum, marvel at the magnificent War Museum, house from Elise and Ancient Egypt, tower from the Italian restaurant, walk to several months to the Heritage Collection, Bhutan to the Carrefour Plain Road. You will be to discover the most understanding world, see the enigmatic ghost of the Da Vinci, Mona Lisa, and discover sort of museum. Later, you can have so much on Antonio Camboa, picture with the gift of love, lear about the royal story shot in Herregov, Wrath of the Medusa, and here to Napoleon for apparent to the palace most beautiful decor. We have collection of the Marseille, continue with the Venus de Milo, the sculpture that have inspired some manner teachers visit the base camp of the lower place to save the foundation of the cluster of the store. There we have you were up there. The Ancient Union is the house in 19th century Paris. Building half of interior garden, half of terrain condition. Rooms and appearance include bricks and dinner for US pay. No, you so can enjoy all this for a superb price. Thank you.